Yes, she did. Good job. Good job, PJ. With Mom on it? Did you have a can of worms with Mom on it? Who do you have there? Do you have your dogs? Yes? Which dog is that? What's his name?
Genius dog?
Genius dog?
No. What's his name?
Yeah, what's his name? What's that dog's name?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh, okay. His name is Chicken.
No. I forgot his name.
You forgot his name. Okay. And there's your blue dog. Is your blue dog's name Blue? Is that Blue dog? Yes. And there's, who's that? Pluto. Oh. And who's that one?
Fluffy dog.
Fluffy dog. He's all soft and fluffy. Yeah. And where's your other fluffy dog? Good job. Oh, look at all those dogs on your lap. That's so sweet.
It was a dog.